Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make green corn roti for my 11th month old baby. So let's start. I'm taking a middle size fresh corn for this. Taking few garlic as well. Grind this both into fine paste. You can add water to make. I'm not adding any sugar or salt in this because my baby is 11 months old. So if you are making this for above 1 year, you can add sugar or salt as per your taste. To make it, heat a fan and put some ghee. And then add the mixture that we made. Now cover it and cook for a few minutes. Now it's time to flip the other side, as one side is already cooked, you can see. Now I can cover it and cook the other side. I usually serve this in a bite size, and I also give this to my baby as a finger food, so making it handy for him. I'm giving curd as a dip. You can give any other chutney or other dip as per your baby preference. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want more of kids recipe, please comment below.